Hello everyone, writing magical story for children is your passion, but managing finance may be not so much. So don't worry, today we are diving into bookkeeping and accounting for children book authors in a fun and a simple way. Whether you are launching your first book or juggling multiple bestsellers, we will cover the essential to help you to stay organized, track your income and growth your author career with confidence. Let's make number as easy as storytelling is. Children book authors have a special gift. They create magical world that entertain and educate, inspire young minds. Their words and story often pair with beautiful illustrations and capture the imagination of little reader. But behind the creativity, there are also a business side to writing. To keep their career sustainable, an author needs to understand accounting and bookkeeping. Why? Because managing finance properly helps them plan for future projects, stay tax compliant, and track their earnings. Good financial record means surprises and more focus on doing what they love, writing amazing story for kids. Managing finance for children book author can be made simple by focusing on the few important areas. First, managing settlement with the literary representative, ensure smooth payment and agreement with them, handling conference and workshop writing expenses, track and manage cost for professional growth event effectively, monitoring sales result by book title, so keep a close eye on how each book perform to boost sales strategy. Next, tracking printing and distribution expense, so cost control, like control cost for printing and delivering your creative work. Then we have handling audiobook and digital sales, stay on top of revenue from more modern format like audiobook and ebooks. Then we have revenue management fund, so efficiently allocate and manage fund arise through your supporters, monitoring website and online presence expenses unkept. Last we have handling grant fellowship revenue, properly manage funding and receive through grant and fellowship. So alright, let's talk about something super important for your success, key performance indicator, or you can say KPIs. Think of them as your storytelling milestone. Just like how good book has beginning, middle and end, KPI help you to track your progress, stay focused on your goal and make smart choice based on real data. So first we have here book sale and revenue. So when we look at book sale and revenue, we will really checking how well the marketing is doing. This include both digital and physical book sales and the total income they generate. A strong revenue stream means books are selling well and market is high. Next we have units sold per title. So this tells us how individual books are performing. Instead of just looking at overall sale, we break it down to see how many copies each title is selling. So this helps publishers and authors to understand which books are popular and which might need more promotion, right? Then loyalty rate and earnings. For author, this is the big one. The loyalty rate determines how much an author earned from each book sold. A higher rate means better earning, but it also depends on the number of books sold. Keeping track of this helps author and publisher maximize profit. Review and rating are like a mirror reflecting how reader feel about a book. A platform like a Good Reader and Amazon provide valuable insight by tracking the number of review and their average score. A high rating, that's a green flag that a reader loved it. Mixed or low rating, that sign room of improvement, and engaging with the review help authors and publishers to understand what working and what not. Then book downloads and browsers like ebooks. So in today's digital age, ebook are very big deal. Tracking downloads and browser from the platform like library apps help measure their reach. If more readers are choosing digital copy, it means they prefer convenience over print. So help an eye on this to number help to publisher to refine the digital marketing strategy and maximize engagement. Then school and library play a huge role in a book success. If a book is frequently purchased by educational institute, means it valuable for learning. So this sale also indicate whether the content is relevant and appropriate for classroom use, or publisher can use this data to trail book for academic and audience, ensure they meet the need of student and educators. Translation into another language. So when a book gets translated into multiple language, it is a strong sign of its global appeal. The more language it available in, the more reader can reach, right? So leading to high sale and wide impact. A publisher and author track this to understand a book international success and potential profitability. Then next we have award and recognition, because it's a play big role to boosting book credibility. When a book win an award or receive critical claim, it gain more visibility, build trust among reader, and often see a jump in sale. So understanding this metric help author, publisher and business to make informed decisions. Whether you are an author tracking your earnings or a publisher analyzing book sales, this number tell you the real story behind the success of a book. So today we are diving into bookkeeping for book author, a critical process to keep your business running smoothly. So let's begin. Loyalty tracking income management. Here we have our first. So tracking loyalty from the book sales is crucial for any author. So whether through publisher or online seller, keeping a close eye on this income stream ensure accurate revenue tracking. This is essential not only for understanding earning but also for filing tax on time. Next we have budgeting and expense management. So as an author, budgeting is a key to managing your finance effectively. Create a budget help in planning for both personal and professional expenses. It is important to track costs related to your book such as marketing, travel and conference fees. This ensures allocating resource wisely and prevent unexpected financial challenge. Then grant and funding opportunity identification. For the children book author, researching grants and funding opportunity is important for sustaining and growing their craft. Many organizations offer grant and support artists, but by identifying this opportunity, author can access additionally funds that help to cover the cost of writing and publishing of effort. Managing your budget and advance is crucial for keeping finance in check. Start by tracking your expenditure and keeping a close eye on publishers' payment, and especially for the book advances. Create a clean spending plan that include all the anticipated costs. Don't forget to monitor out of pocket expenses regularly to avoid overspending. Data analysis for upcoming book marketing. To make informed decision for future marketing is essential to analyze data from past book sale and loyalty statement. Take a time to access which marketing strategy work best and which does not work. Then create an author website and online presence. An author website is your digital home and it's important to build one that reflects your unique brand. Work with writer to create website that showcase their work, features a combining bio and offer opportunity for reader to engage through comments or newsletters. So when it's come to promoting books, social media is a powerful tool. Help writer create engaging content like illustration or interesting blogs can capture the attention of potential reader. Not only do you increase engagement, but you also drive book sale. So next, item licensing opportunity. Another exciting avenue for author to expand their brand is through item licensing. Think about licensing the author's character or image onto products like clothing or toy. This open up new revenue stream and boost brand visibility. Fan often love having a tangible connection to their favorite book. Licensing allow them to bring that experience into their everyday lives. So children book are more than just a story, so they are gateway to imagination. So let's take a close look at how some author turn their idea into the beyond tale and global success. So here we have our first case studies, from loyalty in discovery to financial clarity. So in this case, the author's book series was struggling to track loyalty from the multiple publishers and retailers. This led to missed revenue and difficulty when it came to filling text. To solve this, Meru Accounting created a streamlined loyalty monitor system that combined income data from all the different sources. By centralizing this information, the author was able to ensure accurate financial record and timely tax filing. As a result, the author enjoying increased tax deduction and gained better financial transparency and saved valuable time on bookkeeping. This system simplifies their financial management and allow them to focus more on what they do best, writing. So this case highlights the importance of having a clean and organized financial tracking system. So by multiple income source into one system, you can achieve clarity, reduce stress and improve financial efficiency. So in another case study, the scenario was an author received a large book advance, but there was no clean plan in place to manage the money. This lack of strategy and posed a risk of overspending and could have led to financial instability also. So Meru Accounting stepped in and worked closely with the author to track spending and create a detailed spending plan for the advance and provide practical budgeting advice. Create a detailed spending plan for the advance and provide practical budgeting advice. By establishing a clean financial plan, the author was able to manage the advance wisely, ensure that the sum of the money was set aside for future need. This approach not only helped her to avoid financial stress but also gave her their confidence and security that she did not for long-term financial stability. So here we have our last case study. In this case, we showed an author who was solidly focused on selling physical book, neglecting the potential of foreign translation and ebooks. So Meru Accounting stepped in and took a close look at sale data. By analyzing the data, they identify untapped opportunity in foreign translation rights and ebook sales. So they also help the author with website creation and online marketing strategy and open up new challenge for exposure. So as a result, the author experienced a significant boost in overall book sales. Not only did she expand her reach through ebook and foreign translation, but she also built a strong online presence, setting the stage for future success with her next novel. It is a great reminder to look beyond the traditional method and explore new opportunity for expanding your audience and revenue. So in this case, Meru Accounting provide much more than bookkeeping service to children book author. They recognize the unique challenges this author faced when it come to managing royalty and tax. So Meru implement a loyalty monitoring system that helps simplify the tax filing and provide the author with much needed financial transparency. But that not all. Meru also went step further by identify the new revenue opportunity by exploring translation rights and ebook option. The author could open up additional income and they had not considered before. So thank you for bringing imagination to our lives. Your stories inspire the world, and we are here to make sure that your financial journey is just as magical.